Welcome back to Livie's Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel, and I'm your host, Fam the Fabulous. For more ideas, inspiration, swaps, and challenges, click the link in the description below to join our craft community, the Maker Exchange, on Facebook. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back, all my artists, creators, crafters, and makers. Welcome back to the Lovely Lab. All right, guys, so listen. Today I'm participating in a collab, and it's called Hello Spring, because as you know, spring is here, and it's all about, well, the season is all about newness, right? So the challenge for us was to use lace or trim, book pages or sheet music, one wet medium, glue doesn't count, and the colors yellow and green incorporated into it somehow. Both of those colors, obviously. It says you can use more mediums and components, but the above are the ones we'll challenge ourselves to create with. So those are the ones that we're creating with. And if you look in the description box below, there'll be links to the other collaborators' videos. There's two more of us. There's Thalisha of We're Baking and Crafting Meats, and then there's Sonia from Sonia Stover. So you're definitely going to want to check out those videos. And if you decide to participate in this challenge, if you will, use the hashtag Hello Spring Love. Okay, so that is what we are going to do. All right, so what I pulled out was in one of my previous videos, and I'll put a link up in the corner, but in one of the previous videos I showed where I was using old to create something new, and that was the old or in with the new challenge. And I used pages from my old devotionals that I receive on a monthly basis to create journal pockets. So what I'm going to do here is I am going to take, and the concept behind this particular one was, I think I used 4 pages to create. This will be a pocket. So let's just say that this is the journal page, right? So this is going to go in there like that. It'll get glued here and here to create a pocket. It can be glued here or both top and bottom to create a pocket here. Then we have a pocket there, and a pocket here. Okay. And then on the opposite side, we could do the same. So, just another clever little way to create more pockets and storage area in our journals. So what I pulled out was some bits and pieces and some embellishments to add towards the end. I pulled out these yellow flowers. What I did was I deconstructed this one. This is originally what it looked like. It's an old flower orchid, I believe it is, that I got from Dollar Tree a long time ago. And I deconstructed it so that I could use the petals, okay? And then I just pulled out a couple scraps of paper so that I could have something like a little bit of a background, and particularly for this one, okay? And so I do not have a lot of green in my craft area. So what I intend to use is some either Distress Oxide or this little lovely set that I have. As soon as I can locate it, because I should have pulled it out earlier, but that's neither here nor there. You know how it is. You think about these things towards the end, and then you wish you had been a little bit more organized. Nevertheless, here we go. The Mr. Huey's Color Mists. So I'll probably use this one. I don't know. We'll see. But in the meantime, between time, let me pull out the glue, because we need the glue. And at the point in which I start to get into it, I'm going to speed it up and throw a little music on top so that you're not bored out of your mind. I hope everyone is doing well out there, and you guys are being inspired by the newness that spring brings. All right. So let's go ahead and get started. Now, what I'd like to use this scrap on here. this little bit here. And then I'm gonna take half of it, and then I'll use the other half on the opposite side. So I'm just gonna use my ruler to guide me, make it a little easier on myself. Plus I also want to cover up this red here. You know what I mean? Now I'm going to tear off a smidge of this corner so that it can blend well in there. I always have a problem with the left-handed tears. Okay, so that's good. Now let's see where we're at on this side. I don't really necessarily need to, here's what I'm going to do on this one. I am going to use just the flower bit on this side. Something like that. Who knows? Forgive me, guys. Josh is home. I mean, it's not like he's, you know, away at college and then I'm crafting when he's away. But y'all know the deal. He's gaming. We just got in from being away. So, which is always the case, right? All right. So, okay, so we got that side for that. We got this side for this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and glue these in place. And I'm not sure if I'm going to use this on here. I'm probably not. I think I'm going to just use embellishments and words, okay? So in the spirit of being quick and deliberate, I'm going to go ahead and drop these down with some glue. And it's been a while since I've been on camera because, well, y'all know how it is. There's times where you could just get busy and you got to stay focused. And despite how much you want to be in that craft room, you really got to, you know, kind of stay dedicated and devoted to the tasks on hand. And if you are new to the channel, I just want to say welcome. Thank you for coming aboard. And for the new subscribers, I hope you're finding the content interesting and inspiring. And for those of you who have been riding with me for a while, y'all know the deal. Thanks for the comments, the likes, the shares, the feedback. And if you are not already a member of our Facebook community, the Maker Exchange, feel free to look in the description box below. There you'll find a link to that as well. All right, so now here is the flower that I want to use. Now let me see. Now this is gonna be real simple. Like, I'm not gonna kill myself over here, but I do want to bring some of this element here. Like this one says spring has sprung, which is perfect because I want some spring wording in here. I want something to say, hey, we're in spring. We're here, y'all. Oh, that would be pretty. I probably would do it the other way. Opposite way. And I'm not going to do any stitching on this one because they're all, excuse me, they're already put together, you know. So we could do something like that. And then embellish from, my son is so loud. All right, so this is what we ended up with. We ended up with this beautiful little pocket here that has the little petal that I showed you that I, deconstructed from the flower that I got from Dollar Tree or Dollar General, whichever. And then there's a die cut back there from My Mind's Eye, so it's this die cut. And then I added some bling there, stitched around the edge, and tucked a little half of a die cut, because that's all I had left, back here. And then, of course, as you guys saw in the video, I used the Mr. Huey's color, ink. So, and then down here, I have the trim, the lace trim. Well, it's trim because it's not lace, right? So all in all, I think that this came out relatively nice, at least that one did. Now, so let's see. Lace trim, got that. And these are from the challenge. Book pages, obviously that's an entire one. At least one wet medium, got that there. Colors yellow and green, bow. And let's see. Yeah, I think I met the challenge on that one. I'm moving on to this one. I did use some vintage lace trim there. Stitched around it, zigzag stitch. Used some bling crystals. These are actually crystals I got from one of the online sites. Got that die cut there. This is my Mind's Eye die cuts. A little tag back there, and spring has sprung. I think this one came out absolutely adorable. Now on the back of this one, I also used some more die cuts just so that I could have something on the opposite side if I chose to use it on that side as well. And that's the Lovely butterfly. And then up there is a little, I think that's a bee. Anyways, so I hope you guys enjoyed that. Let me know in the comments what you want to see coming up next. Now that spring is here, now that we're getting into the whole Mother's Day, Father's Day, and we're going to slide into summer real soon. So if there's anything you guys want me to work on or show you how to do on the channel, feel free to let me know. I've got a couple other videos that are in the queue that I've edited, but I just haven't put up on the channel. So stay tuned for those. And I know it's been a minute, so I'm glad I'm back. I'm happy to be back. For those of you who are new to the channel, if you have not already clicked the subscribe button, now is a good time. Now is right now, okay? And for those who are still riding with me, thanks, and I will see you all again. Love you all, and until we're back here again on YouTube, guys, stay encouraged, stay blessed, stay creative and crafting. Bye for now. Don't forget to wear your masks, wash your hands, 6 feet of distance between you and strangers, okay? Toodles. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Hit subscribe to join the crafty community, and be sure to click the bell for notifications of new uploads. Thank you so much for watching. Now stay tuned for more from Livie's Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel. Bye for now.